Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna show you how you can make $82 per day or £82 per day with a one-day work. You can generate passive income like that every single day. Oh, this is the best way to make money online in 2020. If you are new to my channels, subscribe or like my videos. If you don't, that's fine, but I will make videos on money making, motivation, case studies and tutorials. So if you want to learn more about that, like my video, subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get notified when I release my videos. So before I show you the website, I'm gonna show you the statistic of that website. If you come down to the similar web, this website founded on 2011 in Sweden, around 50 employees, have a worldwide rank about 160,000. And if you come down to the traffic, total number of people visiting this website, around 500,000 in December 2019, and you can see it's over nearly 500,000 every single month. So this website is not scam, it's generating views every single day. Most of the people are coming from United States and India, rest of them worldwide. But this website, most of this website function in social media and in smartphone rather than website. They work like app. So if you come down to the Apple Store, have over 25,000 downloads. And if you come down to the review section, each review I get a review back from this website. This website called Forbes. Forbes.com. So everyone get the review back from them, and it show you they are more active rather than some scam site. So what is this website? This website called Forbes.com. Basically, Forbes.com is allow you to, as a customer, allow you to buy pictures, photos or videos from this website. It's basically a Shutterstock or Adobe stock. I made a video about 7 websites that you can save your photos and videos. You can check it out. So it's similar to that. This Forbes basically something different here, because they mostly deal with in social in app. So if we say, for example, you sell a picture like this ones, I can find the price of this picture. So I can, this one for example, no person, food and drink, fruit and ice. This one is perfect for the website that deal with a restaurant, right, or bar. So this website need a pictures, so they can come here and buy. This picture is gonna cost around $10. So when a customer buy from Forbes for this picture for $10, Forbes gonna take 50% of this purchase, and they can transfer half of the money. So £5 for Forbes and $5 for you. So if you come down to this section called Become a Sailor, I will take you to this page. You need to download this app. If you have an iPhone or Android, you need to download this app, because it's more easier an app rather than a computer. Basically, what you have to do, if you are like taking photograph, like your food, or if you're going to the street, you are taking photograph of the sunset or train, snow, whatever, you take a picture, just upload. Nothing gonna cost, because uploading picture to the website is gonna cost nothing to you. It's free. Just come up with the pictures if you like, or you upload it into the website. When the agency, like I talked about before, agency or the website owner come to this website, download the picture, and you will get 50% of the profit. You can decide the price of the pictures. If in a highly quality picture that you took from a Canon camera or something like that, you can charge us to $60 or $70. But simple pictures like a picture of a food, you can charge $10. So for example, you visit a restaurant with friends, you order the food and you took the picture, you can upload Instagram to build followers. At the same time, you can upload the same picture to the Forbes using that app. When you do that, when the people like the picture and download, each download you make you $5 if the picture is going to sell for $10 or 60, whatever is it. So one day work, you're going to generate a passive income. Like I said before, it's not going to work easily, because there's thousands of people selling the pictures. So you're not going to work every single time, because you have to come up with 16, 17, and even hundreds of pictures. If 2 or 3 pictures selling every single day, that will generate at least $20 per day. That generate over 600 per month. That's a passive income without doing any work. So this is best way to make money online in 2020. You can work from home and make money. So don't just take it simple, because as in a home entrepreneur, I am and yourself, we have to make money from different ways. Doesn't require any work at all. So what you have to do, just download the app and upload the pictures and wait for the customer to buy it. Simple as that. So people are making complicated so because you need to come with high quality pictures or not, because whatever you can take, upload it and wait for the customer to buy. Because you can do the same with other sites. You can upload same pictures on Shutterstock or other websites you can make money. So this is the best way to make money online in 2020. So if you are new to my channels, I make motivations, I make money making videos and everything. So if you like my videos, like and share and subscribe. I will make a tutorial video on print on demand, or I already upload a Redbubble simple tutorial. I will make more video on Redbubble and other print on demand website, because I am starting my print on demand business. So that's why I'm starting doing. So when I make a mistake, you can figure out and tell me, or when I learn new things, I will make video about that. So until that, subscribe, like and share. See you on next video, guys. Thanks for watching.